Hey, what's up guys, it is me WHYnotBrix. Now I will show you how to detect and delete malware on your computer. Download this Malwarebytes. For me this is the best antivirus. This antivirus saved me last year, because my computer infected by the worm, that my classmate flash drive has infected. That he put his flash drive in my computer, so my computer has infected. After another day my PC lot of worms, and my PC didn't open. So I tried to download Malwarebytes in computer shop, then put in my flash drive. Then I safe mode my computer, put my flash drive with Malwarebytes. Then Malwarebytes scan all in the system, my computer was recover. I was happy, that's my experience. But I want to talk about my videos on YouTube. Is it safe? And they have malware? The answer is yes, it's safe. Before I upload I tested that game first, and I played it with my friends. And before I uploaded it I first scanned it with Malwarebytes. So my YouTube uploads are safe. I do not upload fake videos, and I do not upload viruses. This channel you can trust, and I just want to help gamers who do not have the money to buy the game they want to play. And this channel also provides tips on how to fix your problem with games or your computer. Subscribe now so you can always have updates on my video uploads and new versions of the game. Thanks for watching.